Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nama saya Muhammad Kadir Hakimi bin Muhammad Kamil. Saya dari Widat College. Ingin present tentang Universiti Terminal UTM Campus Terminal yang berada di Universiti Teknologi Malaysia Kuala Lumpur. So, nama terminal saya ialah NXO Terminal, which means bermaksud New as Old Terminal. Untuk project brief, apa yang kita orang kena buat. For this project P2 project, students are required to design a new transportation terminal for UTM KL. The terminal must include with convenient facility as well as improving the existing bus waiting platform. Untuk key plan terletak di Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, Jalan Sultanjaya Petra, dan location plan Universiti Teknologi Malaysia Kuala Lumpur. So, ni bentuk site plan dia, scale 1250. So, untuk site issue yang berada di site locate between new building and old building. Site terletak di tengah-tengah antara new building dan old building. New building, contoh bangunan new building ialah Geni Mall, and contoh bangunan lama old building quarters student and staff. So for strength, site locate in strategic place sebab terletak di antara tengah-tengah UTM KL, and opportunities can be a focal point in UTM KL. Weakness dia, hidden area between Geni Mall and quarters. Dia tersorok antara tengah-tengah Geni Mall and quarters. And T, student rarely pass at the site. Student jarang lalu dekat site sebab dia kawasan yang tersorok. So untuk idea saya ialah to create a terminal bus with a combination of architecture style, modern with the traditional architecture. Sebab apa saya ambil, saya datang idea ni sebab saya nak tunjukkan balik pada side issue ni. Dua-dua antara old building dan new building yang berada di TMKL. So untuk mendapatkan idea itu, untuk membentukkan building, saya menggunakan konsep juxtaposed architecture. Minimum yang bermaksud juxtaposed is when two opposite things are placed next to each other to emphasize the contrast. So untuk person study, saya ambil Nelson Airport Terminal and Kaunam Bus Station. Saya ambil kedua-dua bangunan ni sebab bangunan mereka menggunakan timber construction yang saya nak serapkan dekat dalam building saya. So untuk front development, first kali saya bentukkan semua set, naikkan pada semua set and cut to half. Lepas tu membentukkan form dia, and then separate with the two building, yang old building and new building. So ini gambaran perspective view of my building. So untuk ground floor, kereta akan lalu berjalanan seperti ini. And then untuk ground floor ada 20 parking untuk staff and students, and mereka akan berhenti pada drop off kat sini and berhenti kat sini, and diorang akan lalu kepada entrance, and diorang akan nampak dua view, iaitu old building and new building and modern building. So dekat bahagian old building, it, kita ada general store, ada store, surau lelaki, surau perempuan, changing room and toilet lelaki and changing room toilet perempuan. Disable toilet, water tank harvesting, M&E, janitor store and tangga for bomber. Dan untuk bahagian new building, kita ada general store and convenience store. Dan kat sini ada bahagian kios, waiting area and lunch pantry. Lunch area with a pantry for driver. So, saya tunjukkan how design process yang ni. Mula pada bentuk ni and then tukar pada bentuk ni and then for the last design process. For bubble diagram and zoning. Untuk part of this is for a public yang and semi-public for waiting area for terminal, and for parking first floor and second floor is for public. So ni yang ada facilities yang ada dekat dalam building, which mean ada general store, convenience store, 7E, waiting area for terminal, walkway to surau and toilet, parking first and second floor, and lobby. So this is first floor plan and second floor plan. So the first floor plan and second floor plan ada 35 parking. So untuk first floor plan ada 35 and second floor plan untuk parking pun ada 35 parking. So total like 70 parking for first floor and second floor. So this is a perspective view of the building exterior. So ini potongan section SS and YY. So this is front elevation for the building. Right elevation, rear elevation for and left elevation building. For fire regulation, we have alternative exit, at least 2 exit on the basis that if the one exit is inoperable, the other exit can serve the function. And we have a dual exit door, which means exit door must always be able to be opened without under effort at all times. Exit discharge must always allow the passage of people at all times. Exit in this context means story exit, horizontal exit, or final. And we have a exit staircase using the same inference. Protected shall mean enclosed, separate, and or isolate from untenable exposure to fire or smoke. And we have firefighting access. The accessway width is more than 6 meters throughout the entire length of the accessway. Untuk environment simulation, menggunakan straighted standing seam metal-proof to allow for thermal movement, made with roofing coils that have highly reflective pigments and highly emissive metal, reflecting the sun ray and dispelling the associated radiant heat that other roofing type may retain. And we have a louver. Louver provides free passage of air and surfacing light even when closed. The blade can be angled to control the airflow. It offers natural ventilation for the size of the window. And we have a timber wall frame. Is the most sustainable from construction as it benefits from lowest embodies of any building material, as well being organic and naturally renewable. For the last, kat sini saya menggunakan 5 material untuk building saya, iaitu reinforced concrete. So benefit kita gunakan reinforced concrete is fire and weather resistant, low maintenance cost and make less range of shape. And then untuk material kedua saya menggunakan timber. And benefit untuk menggunakan timber ialah thermal insulation, sound insulation and speed of build. Untuk bahagian trusses saya menggunakan wood trusses sebab dia flexible and versatile, create large open area, light in weight, durable, strong and renewable construction material. Untuk landscape saya menggunakan granite tree planter sebab dia anti-thief properties, resistant to breakage, making ideal for using as barrier and traffic control. And untuk tile, saya menggunakan terracotta tile sebab dia durable, resistant to fire and water, low costing recyclable material, natural, sustainable, long-term environmental advantage. And to green building index, tadi 3 iaitu rainwater harvesting, natural lighting and natural ventilation. Untuk rainwater harvesting is the secondary water supply system for terminal. The usage will be used for toilet and surau of terminal. For natural lighting in terminal, there are more opening where there will be more light entering the building. Hence, more energy will be saved. And natural ventilation is mostly used in the terminal as the design with open concept of space, where visitors will feel comfortable with the air. So ini as per the axonometric. So that's all of my presentation. So thank you.